In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the tag present in the reparse point buffer is invalid error on OneDrive. This process should only take about 5 minutes, so let's get started right away. First, what we need to do is head over to the Start menu. Simply click on the Start button, and in the search bar, type CMD. What we are looking for is the command prompt. Once you see it in the list of results, don't click on it right away. Instead, right-click on the command prompt and select Run as Administrator. Running it as an administrator is crucial because it provides us with the necessary permissions to execute the commands needed to fix the error. Now that you have the command prompt window open with administrative privileges, you're going to type in the following command, chkdsk-c-worf. This command initiates a check disk operation that will scan for errors on your drive, attempt to recover readable information, and fix any detected errors automatically. The letter C here refers to the drive you want to check, which in most cases will be your main hard drive, also known as the C drive. After you've typed out the command, simply press Enter on your keyboard. What happens next is crucial. The system will scan your drive. However, if an immediate scan cannot be executed, it might prompt you with a message asking if you want to schedule disk checking for the next time you restart your computer. If this happens, just type Y for yes and press Enter again. This schedules the disk check to run during your computer's next boot up. Once you have this set up, go ahead and restart your computer. Remember, it's really important not to press any keys during the restart because this could interrupt the disk checking process. Just sit tight and allow the process to complete. The checking procedure might take a little time, so be patient as it does its work. This scan is essential because it detects and resolves errors in file systems and sectors on your hard drive, which could be causing the OneDrive error you're encountering. By letting it run uninterrupted, you ensure that your system has every opportunity to fix itself. By the end of this process, the error should be resolved and your OneDrive should operate smoothly once again. Thank you for following along with this instructional video. I hope your issue is now fixed, and if you have any more questions, feel free to reach out in the comments below or check out our other troubleshooting guides. Have a great day!